Thought of the day. Reading inspiring thoughts is one of civilization's greatest gifts. 1. 52 Indian institutions have been included in the QS World University Rankings 2027. This figure stood at 11 in 2015. IIT Delhi topped the list among Indian institutions at the 118th position, followed by IIT Bombay at 134th and IIT Madras at 170th. According to the government, global rankings have improved due to NIRF and NEP initiatives. 2. NASA has proposed that ISRO join its moon base mission. The objective is to establish humanity's first permanent lunar base near the moon's south pole. India and the US have agreed to share scientific data and human spaceflight technology under the Artemis Accords. 3. Deepti Gaur Mukherjee, a 1993 batch IAS officer, has been appointed as the new Secretary of Higher Education. Belonging to the Madhya Pradesh cadre, Mukherjee previously served as the Secretary of Corporate Affairs. She succeeds Vineet Joshi. Meanwhile, Pallavi Jan Govil has become the new Secretary of Corporate Affairs, and Sunil Paliwal has been appointed Secretary of Youth Affairs. 4. India won 1 gold and 3 bronze medals at the Linguistics Olympiad held in Romania. Srilakshmi Venkataraman won the gold, while Arav Rao, Nishant Lakshmanan, and Advay Mishra won bronze medals. The competition involves deciphering the grammar and patterns of unfamiliar languages. 5. Delhi has approved legislation making the timely delivery of government services a legal right for citizens. In the event of a delay, officials will face a fine of 250 rupees per day, up to a maximum of 5,000 rupees, which will be deducted from their salaries. A right to service commission will be established to handle grievances. 6. The Indian Navy launched the next generation offshore patrol vessel, NGOPV, Shruti, in Kolkata. Built by GRSE, the vessel is named in honor of the 4 Vedas, and its crest features the Saptarishi, Great Bear, constellation. It will be deployed for maritime surveillance, search and rescue operations, anti-piracy measures, and disaster relief. 7. Word of the day. Trust. Trust stands for transforming the relationship utilizing strategic technology. It is an initiative aimed at enhancing cooperation between India and the United States in the technology sector. It was launched during a meeting between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and US President Donald Trump on February 13, 2025. It is an extension of the earlier ICIT initiative. Under this framework, both nations will collaborate in areas such as AI, semiconductors, quantum technology, biotechnology, energy, space, and defense. Recently, India and the US have been advancing trust to boost cooperation in strategic technological domains like AI and space.